vibes, gotta dodge those. Get the money, gotta stack those. Move solid, never doubt it, hold up, bro.
What is up, everybody? I know. I literally have not posted a YouTube video in 4 weeks. It's been 4 weeks since I posted my last video. That is crazy. Okay, so my reason for that is that I have now started a second job and I'm working at a gym. So I'm working at a gym and an elementary school. So I am completely exhausted. And then my other reasoning is that I've been making like the Instagram videos, and obviously I haven't been creating a lot of content with that. I think I only have like 3 videos out or 2. But I've been like trying to feel out like what exactly I wanted to do more of. I definitely miss recording videos for YouTube, which is why I'm here. I literally have nowhere to go, but I was like, let me just do a get ready with me and kind of like an update with you guys. Don't even know what makeup I'm doing right now. Like, just pulled out the James Charles palette, and I know there's still a lot of like gossip and jitter about all that stuff that went on with James Charles and Tati and literally the whole beauty community. But I don't care. I bought the palette and I'm gonna use it. So yeah, let's get into this video. I hope that you guys enjoy. Make sure that you subscribe. I think we're almost at 300, not there yet, but thank you for sticking with me, even though I haven't really been uploading, which I will be because I'm gonna do better. So let's get this video going. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera just because I really don't know. I just decided to do so. So let's take a look at these colors because I have no idea what to do. I'm literally here chilling, about to play with makeup while I talk to you guys, and don't make fun of me like in my t-shirt. Like, this is what I do. It is the Nash way, so this is my way of clearly making my videos and doing my makeup and whatever else. Cool, just drop something, and whatever else comes along with it. Okay guys, so I decided that I'm just gonna do the green and inner corner orange kind of thing. I don't really know. We're just gonna go with the flow, okay? That's literally what I do. Let me put some concealer on my eyelids. I just went to Ulta. I've been seeing these, the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, Jesus, why can't my words come out today? Concealers, and I really wanted to try them out. So I got this one. And it's in the shade 385 Amber. And then I got this one in 415 Honey, like as my contour. So let's just see how it goes. Put some on my eyelids since this is like my primer kind of thing. Oh, I forgot. Let me put some toner on my face. I literally just got this toner, the Thayer's Witch Hazel with Rose Petal. And I've never had a toner before, believe it or not. And I saw that if you put it on before your makeup, it's good, as well as taking it off. I heard you can use it as a makeup remover. I have yet to use it as a makeup remover, really, because I just got it, and second, I've barely been wearing makeup this week. Barely. Like, I literally went the whole week without wearing makeup except on Friday. So that is why. Let's dabble a little bit of concealer here. We're just gonna dab that in. Cool. Clearly, I have not done this in a while. My contact is literally moving around. I mean, I feel like the concealer's pretty good. I guess I'll see more when I put it underneath my eyes. Gosh, I literally don't have a clue about what I'm doing right now. So, I will be going in with the color Daddy on my eyelids. And as we all know here, I am not a makeup artist, so we're just gonna see what happens here. This palette is for people who want to create, and I'm trying to create something. So literally, I've never done this before, but I don't even know if this is right. That's so fucking weird. My cousin Sarah does this and her makeup comes out looking amazing. So I'm using this tape on my eyes to get that lice. Let's not get lice. To get that nice little angle that these makeup artists get. I feel like this is gonna turn out crazy. But anyways, let's hope it doesn't. What has been new with you guys? If there's anything crazy new with you guys, comment down below. Anything crazy new with me? Not at all. I have been working on my fitness journey lately, and so far I'm down 12 pounds, so yay for me. I've literally been eating clean and only drinking water. Like, only water. When I tell you I don't even drink coffee, I don't. I don't drink any coffee. I don't drink any juice. When I want to spice it up a little bit, I put some lemon in my water because one, I love the taste, and obviously it detoxes kind of, I guess, your body. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. Also, never do these colors, like, ever. This is so weird for me. Oh, I think I taped it to my hair too. Hi, you. Oh, okay. Yep, I definitely want it to be a little bit lower. Also, guys, I broke my what's it called? Ricky mirror. So it's like this beautiful, beautiful mirror that I had gotten for my 21st birthday, and it has like the bright lights and stuff, and a stand, and like this clip if you want to like record, or I don't know, have your phone on there, as well as like the magnifying glass, the magnifying mirror. And when I went to BeautyCon, I was on my way back home and I packed my stuff, and I thought I packed enough like soft stuff on top, like my clothes, and I came home and it was cracked. One, I was super mad because that's the mirror I use, and now I'm using this thing, and the other one was just so much bigger, more comfortable. I had a stand and stuff like that. So yeah, that's my struggle. I'm putting some brown on the corner. If you unsubscribe for this video, please don't. It's literally me trying out shit I literally don't ever do. Like, I just don't do this. Alright, I'm not done obviously, but this tape, shit, it's literally in my freaking sideburn. I can't, oh, this is worse than waxing. Guys, look at that. That's crazy. I keep looking up. Clearly I'm not used to it yet because I haven't made a video in so long. Just took the tape off though. Now I see why people do this. Oh shoot, I didn't tell you guys. I mean, I told Instagram, and I would hope that you have followed me on Instagram by now. But I got my first Brazilian back in April. And I know some people are like very private about that, but like if you've never gotten your Brazilian done before, or like before when I haven't had it, I would have loved to hear people's experiences and all that kind of stuff. Like, why not share your story, especially if it can help others. My first wax, because I just had my second one last week, but my first one, I'm gonna have to rate it an 8. I was definitely in my head, I was like, this is gonna be crazy, I'm gonna cry, like all this kind of stuff. But I used to work at the European Wax Center last year, and it took me literally a whole year to woman up. I was about to say man up, but to woman up and actually do it. Because at first I was like, what? Like, I don't want anyone like in my private square. And it's kind of weird. Didn't want the pain and stuff. But I literally have gotten so tired of shaving and the like ingrown hair and bumps and stuff like that. So that's why I did it. And I just wanted a smooth finish. And I loved it. Now that it took me freaking 5 years to do this crap on my eyes, let's get into my face because this video is about to be super long. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Master Prime by Maybelline. Here we go, blur and smooth, because you know your girl has pores just like every other human being. It's crazy because I never used a prime, but then again, back in the day, I didn't really use makeup. I wasn't even allowed to use makeup until like, let me think, honestly, when I was in high school, I'm gonna say my sophomore year, my mom was like, okay, like you can wear mascara, and what else did she say I could wear? She said I could wear mascara and eyeliner, and it was like not the liquid eyeliner, the little crayon type eyeliner. And I was like, okay mom, like sure, thank you so much. And that's what I would rock. And then I never was like a foundation girl, just because I didn't, like my skin didn't really have any issues. Not that it does now, but like whatever. Yeah, I didn't really wear foundation. But yeah, I didn't really do anything crazy. Okay, so yeah, now that I look a little bit orange, I went in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I believe it's in caramel. Yeah, caramel. I will be going in obviously with the L'Oreal concealer that I told you guys about earlier that I would love, that I wanted to try. So yeah. So I got this brush from Morphe, the M536 for like under your eyes. I'm going to press it in first, like the concealer obviously, and then do the sponge. I think I look like a Sprite bottle, right? Because isn't Sprite, no, Sprite's yellow and green. What's green and orange? What's green and orange? I don't know, but I feel like I look like some kind of soda can on my eyelid. That is my concealer, and yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Keep looking up. I keep looking up. Somebody stop me. Clean these crusty lips. Now I don't look like I just ate a donut. But honestly, comment, would you go out looking like this? Would you go out with this makeup look? Because I don't even want to go to my mom's house with this. She's gonna be like, why do you have so much makeup on? And then with the lashes, she's gonna be like, what is on your eye? For my blush, I'm going to be using the I Want It All Kylie Cosmetics palette. 1 second, my mom's calling. Hello.
Yo, yo.
What's up?
Mira, chica. Alright, you're coming over?
Yeah.
You want to bring the cuadros just so that grandma could start on that?
Didn't you tell me to come over? Okay, so as you saw, I put the blush from the I Want It All palette as I was talking to my mother. Spray some more before I put on some whatchamacallit. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the confetti highlighter from this little palette, even though I probably don't even need it. Ooh. Take my mascara, put some mascara on my eyes, on my lashes. Boy, we're up close and personal right now, and I don't know how I feel about this look. I really want to get my lips done. If you gotten your lips done and you're watching this video, should I do it? Did you love it? Did it hurt? Let me know. Okay, so this is my finished look. I did the green and the orange literally based off of my shirt, you guys, because I had no idea what to do, but that is it. Look at this. Sorry that my lashes are literally so freaking crazy and wild and long, but I figured since it's already dramatic, why not make it more dramatic? So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video if you watched it till its entirety, because I know that it is long and I apologize for that, but most of all, thank you for sticking around. I know I haven't posted, but I will be posting more, so there's more to come. Trust me, I have ideas in my mind. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any new life updates, comment down below. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, have a good day.